Good morning everyone. Today we are going to read a story from Unit 6 of class UKG. The chapter name is Marueta's Mango Tree.
Marueta's Mango Tree.
Listen, read, and enjoy this story.
And enjoy the story.
One day, Marueta ate a mango.
Marueta ate a mango.
He threw the seed behind his house.
He threw the seeds behind his house.
Many months later, he saw a plant. He watered the plant every day. The plant grew into a big mango tree. Every summer, many mangoes grow on it. Now, Marueta's children eat the mangoes. Read the sentences and take the right picture. Marueta ate a banana or mango one day. He threw the seed or mango behind his house. Many months later, he saw a seed or plant. He watered the seed or plant every day. Many apples or mangoes grew on the tree. Draw a tree showing leaves, branches, fruit, birds, nest, and a swing. Let's talk. Describe the picture using all the words given above. Should trees be cut? Name some trees which you have seen. Unit 6. Teacher's pages. Poem. If I were an apple. Story. Our tree. Marueta's mango tree. This unit is a good opportunity for involving children in interesting activities about the environment. Encourage children to look and listen attentively and express their thoughts freely. Talk to them about trees around and how important they are. Share with them topics like why do you think trees are important for us? Give them clues like they give us shade, flowers, fruits, etc. Group activity. Let the children make a class tree with their handprints. Let them stick leaves and twigs on it. Write these words and stick it under a tree. Material required: a sheet of paper, some twigs, some leaves, and an old cardboard sheet. What do I plant? When I plant a tree, I plant a circle of shade around me. A circle of shade where people come to rest under the sun. Develop pronunciation. Words like tree, bee, flea can be introduced. Exposure to language. This time let the sight words be the names of children which can be pasted on the tree that the children have made. Names of all the children such as Rini, Kuma, Muana, Liani. Develop speaking skills. Give children a week or two to learn a rhyme, one in their language and one in English. Let them recite these. Always appreciate their efforts. Do not push children who are not ready for it. As As facilitators, we must let children speak at their own pace. Develop writing skills. Write the letters from R to Z on the blackboard. Let the children read from the board and the picture dictionary. Encourage these early writing attempts and ensure a feeling of success for all children. Use activity sheets and a notebook to further encourage the patterns as on pages 67, 68, 71, 73, 74 and 76. Use the method of developing fine motor coordination. Tell the class how to sort out three mixed pulses into different piles or sort leaves on the basis of their color, shape and texture. Awareness raising. Have a discussion on the hazards of throwing things into the river and why we must stop this from happening.